Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to tell you about the Crypto.com BTC Halving event that's taking place on their exchange, and I'll also give you all the details about their Twitter giveaway, which anyone is eligible for as long as you have a Twitter account and a Crypto.com account, which are both free. So let's jump in. All right, so a lot of people have heard about the Bitcoin Halving Syndicate event on Crypto.com and have been asking me in the comments to explain a little more about what this is. So I'm going to jump in and do my very best to clarify this for everyone. So there's two events going on. The first, the most important one, is the BTC Halving Special, where you can participate in this syndicate funding event and get BTC at 50%. Now, this is going to happen on May 12th. So I'm going to give you the details how you can prepare yourself and get ready. Now, they're also giving away BTC in a sweepstakes event to promote the Syndicate Halving event. And in order to win that, all you really need to do is go to their Twitter and like the Twitter announcement and retweet it. So I'm going to go into the specific details about that, but you will need a Crypto.com account, which is free, in order to collect your rewards if you win one of these random prizes in the sweepstakes. So let me explain how everything works in detail. All right, so the BTC Halving event is an event that they're holding on their Crypto.com exchange. Now, the Crypto.com exchange is different than the Crypto.com app. In order to participate in the BTC Halving event, you're going to need to get yourself signed up for an exchange account. So I'm here on the Crypto.com website where there's a link to sign up for the exchange. Now, all of the details that I'm going to go over, I put links to down in the description below. So you want to check those out so that you can reread all the details, because I'm not going to be able to cover everything. I want to give you an overview of the opportunities that you have here. So you will need an exchange account in order to participate in the BTC Halving event. So here's the blog announcement for the BTC Halving event. And the way that it works, basically an overview, they're going to open the floodgates on May 12th, and all of the participants will basically throw in money into this pool, as much as you can afford. And the total will accumulate. There's a limit on how much can be put into this fund. All right? And once the fund is full, they'll divide up all of the Bitcoin between all of the people that contributed. And they'll figure that Bitcoin at 50% of the going rate of Bitcoin at the time, right? So for those of you who want to get some Bitcoin at a 50% discount, as the price of Bitcoin starts to go higher and higher, you probably want to jump in on this. So basically here, they're going to allocate $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and they're going to give you a 50% discount. Now, these are the allocations in CRO that you can contribute. So you can contribute $200 worth of CRO. Now, CRO is one of the native tokens of the Crypto.com platform, right? Here is the timeline for the event. It starts on May 12th, as I said, and you will subscribe to this event by contributing CRO. And like I said, here are the amounts of CRO that you can contribute. Now, if you'll notice at the beginning of this, they'll say that no CRO staking is required, and then they talk about staking. So the term is a little confusing, so I want to clarify. If you look at how normal syndicate events work, in order to participate, you have to have at least 10,000 CRO staked in your Crypto.com exchange. Now, they're waiving that now. You don't have to have at least 10,000 CRO staked in your Crypto.com exchange. The only thing you'll stake is the amount that you're putting in for this particular event, right? So you don't have to have a baseline of CRO staked in your account. You can jump in on this cold, basically. So that's the distinction here. All right, and you'll contribute whatever you can afford to contribute. And you'll see here that all of the users that have contributed, the CRO contributed by user, is divided by the total amount of CRO contributed by all the participants. So the more you put in, the higher of percentage that you're going to get back at the end of the event, right? So they're going to take your stake divided by everyone else's total, and then they're going to take that $1 million worth of BTC at 50% of the price of BTC, and then allocate it out to everyone that participated, right? And then they've got a timeline here of how it works. You can see here. There's more details, so you want to read the fine print on all of this. But basically, you'll put in your CRO during the event time. You're going to get 24 hours to contribute. And then on the next day, they're going to ask you to decide whether you want to participate or not. If you accept or reject your allocation. And if you accept your allocation, you'll get your BTC distributed back to you in your Crypto.com exchange account. And if you decide not to, you'll get your CRO refunded. Now, I have to point out, unfortunately, that people in the US are not eligible for the BTC Halving Event. So citizens and residents of the United States, China, and Hong Kong will be excluded from the Syndicate campaign. Anyone anywhere else will be able to participate in the Syndicate campaign. But not to worry, if you're in China, Hong Kong, or the US, you are eligible to participate in the Twitter giveaway. So and really all you need for that is a Twitter account and a Crypto.com account. And the reason you need the Crypto.com account is because if you win, they're going to deposit the BTC in your Crypto.com account. Now, it's totally free to set up a Crypto.com account. Crypto.com is an online exchange, phone-based exchange, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And it's free to sign up for a Crypto.com account. Now, they have a lot of other great stuff, right? They've got the MCO Visa card, which you can stake in order to spend your crypto in the real world. They've got their crypto earn program where you can earn interest on crypto that you've got on deposit there. But all you really need to do to win these Twitter prizes is to sign up for a free account. And basically what will happen is this is the Twitter link for the official announcement. I've got a link to that down in the description. All you have to do is go to this Twitter post and like it and retweet it. I think I've already liked it. Yeah, I've liked it and retweeted it already, looks like. Right? And that's all you got to do. I don't think I'm eligible, but you guys are. The details of the Twitter giveaway are linked in the description. So basically what's going to happen is they're going to randomly choose people that have liked and retweeted their announcement, and they're going to announce they're going to give away $100,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. So if you're one of the winners, you're going to get $250 worth of Bitcoin, and they'll determine that amount based on the current price of Bitcoin when they award you. And they'll take that $250 worth of Bitcoin and deposit it in your Crypto.com account. That's why you need the Crypto.com account. So they'll contact you on whatever email you've got registered with Twitter, and then they'll ask you for your Crypto.com email so that they can credit your account with the $250 worth of Bitcoin. So it's pretty exciting. A lot of good stuff happening with the Bitcoin Halving Event coming up. So if you're eligible, I would highly encourage you to join the Syndicate event and try to get yourself some Bitcoin at a 50% discount. And if you're not eligible for the Syndicate event because you're in the US, China, or Hong Kong, go and join their Twitter sweepstakes. Anyone with a Crypto.com account and a Twitter account is eligible for the sweepstakes. So I encourage you to jump into that too. It's all very exciting. Best of luck to everybody. Now, like I said, I'm going to put links to all of these in the description below, so you'll have all the information at your fingertips. If you have any questions about anything that I said during this little presentation, throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for my live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my very best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.